Hi, this is Carol at True Self Unmasked, and I'm going to make a brief video. Have been posting rituals, and I just want to say something about cleansing. For me, I like to keep a window cracked or a window open if I'm able to during my rituals to assist in the flow of air out with the old and with the new. I also cleanse my spaces. I cleanse the floor, I cleanse the tables. I like to use water with an essential oil. One of my favorites is frankincense. If I don't have that, I will use a little bit of pine sol with the water and just cleanse the spaces. Also afterwards, now I'm able to sense energy, so I can tell when the crystals need to be cleaned, because they do not need to be cleaned after every session, but twice a month, run your crystals, your rocks, or whatever you're using under water, alternating between cold and hot water, 4 to 5 times for each temperature. And that should be enough to cleanse these tools, because they expand and contract, and each time they expand, they release. Or you could set them outside or in your house under the sunlight, and that will purify them. I do like to wipe them down. There is cleansing in the movement of wiping things down. If you're using any twigs or branches, wipe those down. And you can call upon the Creator, universal forces, infinite intelligence, guides, guardians, and angels. And you can say, Creator, Source, I'm requesting that you cleanse and purify all of these objects and tools that are part of my ceremonies and rituals, so they're cleansed and purified and ready for the next session. That's it. This is Carol at True Self Unmasked. I'm here every day, and you are welcome to join me again. If you are struggling with negative self-talk, feel free to get my book, You're Not Going Crazy, 101 Ways to Silence Your Inner Critic. The link is in the description. It's very helpful for finding peace within you, which creates an amazing ability to manifest, because like attracts like. You can't have something that you aren't feeling on the inside. It gives you access to your inner wisdom, and it also helps you to align with everything that you desire. And have a good rest of your day.